Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I hate to admit it, but I'm getting older. My skin is changing and I don't like it, but I'm excited because I found something that actually helps. This right here is the NuDerma High Frequency Skin Wand from Pure Daily. And the biggest changes I've noticed in as little as 4 weeks at that are the fine lines on my forehead aren't near as prominent. My pores aren't as noticeable, and even my rosacea has calmed down a little bit. High frequency has a ton of benefits that you can research, but it will help your skin not just with anti-aging, but also a clearer complexion, and I believe it because I've seen it. Now, I have found this to be most beneficial when I am using an anti-aging serum in conjunction with the wand. It just needs to be oil and alcohol-free. But the high frequency wand actually helps serums to penetrate your skin deeper and maximize the benefits. One of the things that I really love that's unique to this wand is it uses 2 different gases. You have the purple argon gas. These 3 attachments will help treat acne and oily skin. And then you have 3 neon gas attachments. These are for anti-aging. The comb is to help promote hair growth, and the other 2 are for fine lines and wrinkles. Now, when this arrived, I have to admit I was really intimidated when I opened the box, but don't be. Pure Daily gives you an instruction manual that completely takes the guesswork out of it. I went from overwhelmed to very confident. I do find that this is something that's easy to be consistent with because you only use it every other day for a maximum of 5 minutes. I really believe that this is an amazing tool to have as part of your skincare regimen. It's like having your own personal facial spa right at your fingertips. And that's my point of view.